Good morning to you. This is a continued session with the country marbling kit. This is the country colors. We use the denim, the mustard, the country green and the teal color in your set with white to create tints. So this is the kit we're playing with today on a bigger format. It's a 12 by 12 tray. I'm going to pour in some extra water, marbling floater powder. We mix up to create this liquid size, they call it. You'll see the size is quite thick. This size will keep fresh for up to 3 months, so it is a very economical size to play with. We don't use carrageen. We find that's a little bit, well, it doesn't work as I'm so used to cellulose. It's a lot more flowing. The viscosity is perfect for this kit, and the pigments are incredibly soft on the surface. They are precise, they flow really well, their pigmentation is very high, so everything works exceptionally well with these paints. I'm going to use some of our rakes as well, so we're going to use the 1-inch rake, and we're going to use the pin rake, the 6mm pin rake, to create a pattern onto a silk fan, which is one of these. Okay, so very excited about this one. Very easy to do. It depends on you, on what your designs are going to be like. I'm going to do a cockatoo pattern, which is one of the designs in page 37 on our new how to use rakes and marbling with Marbling for Fun paint. Right, so all we're going to do for this occasion is I'm going to draw some lines, and the lines are going to be on the water surface only. So the simple way of doing this is you create a tint with white with your pigment, and you drag the tint of the pigment on top of the color you've just put down. Alright, so that is the denim blue with its tint of blue. I'm going to use a little bit of mustard. Mustard is going to be on here. Now this is really easy to do. All you do is you drop a color and you drag the color out. And the tint of that beautiful mustard is this beautiful tint here. We're going to use a little bit of the teal. Teal is stunning as well. So the teal, again, a line of teal on the water surface, and its tint again. Fantastic. I think I'm going to just balance this color a little bit out here by using the tint of the denim blue. So the surface tensions change. They drag the paint in now slightly to the center of the tray. Perhaps maybe some mustard this side, along the edges, and just wait for it to see it, how it balances out. Fantastic. I could add a little bit more of the denim blue into that gap over there, and I could do the same. This of course is entirely up to you. What you want to put, where you want to put it. The idea is to create balance, and that's all you want. So we're going to use the pin rake and make a chevron pattern with it first. It's a 6mm pin rake. I made them, so we're going to show you how that works. I'm going to go away from you so that you can see what I'm doing. So there we go, that's one way. Now I'm going to go back up on ourselves. There we go. I'm going to draw a line across that with our 1-inch rake. And there you have a stunning work of art. So that, you can go back down if you wish. It gets even more intricate. So we're going to go across those lines now. Get your cockatoo design. And there we have it. So that's a beautiful work of art, just using a few rakes. And that's the beauty of rakes. Now this is a silk fan, alright? The area where it is blank with silk, the area where it's wood, goes in last. So the wood, the full print will go on that surface first. So you can get it double printed by submerging the whole surface. And what we're going to do is we're going to choose the colors we like, which is probably around about there somewhere. And they're going to go in. You can actually do one side. Let's try both sides though. So both sides have been marbled, and the results are very stunning to look at. And that will dry in about a good 20-30 minutes, depending on what heat you put it on. And the results are professional, absolutely stunning, with using the Country Kit Marbling for Fun paints. What a beautiful fan. This is going to be for one lucky person online. We'll be selling these online, and you can choose to have it while it's still available. Okay, thank you for watching. This is Craig Jabber, marblingforfun.net. Have a great day. Cheers.